Okay, the first thing you need to know about this song is you need a capo and special tuning. So the tuning is called a open D, and if my tutorial is not good enough for you, just do a search on YouTube for open D tuning, but I'll give you a quick demo here. So you take your top string here and you turn it down. So playing these two top strings together should sound like that. So that's a D, okay? Next you're going to tune your third string down. So these ones, that's tuned down, that's left the same, left the same. This one you tune down as well. Till it sounds good. Okay, and then we're going to tune down the second string as well. Finally the first string. Okay, so it should sound like that, which means I'm not playing any chords, but it sounds like a D. Okay, next step is to put a capo on the second fret, like so. So your tuning should sound like this. Just to let you know what it's going to sound like. Okay, so how we play that is he's doing a slide. So you've got your fourth string, second fret, and you're sliding up to the fourth fret, and then back down again. And you're playing these two strings here, basically, which are your fourth and third string together. So it sounds like this. You can do a pull-off, or you can pluck it. And then you're playing your fifth string open. And then you're putting your finger on the second fret, fifth string, and you're playing the fifth, fourth, third, and then open. So it sounds like this. Picking for that is like this. Okay, so it's in the next part we're actually dropping down to the bottom string here, the sixth string, and we're going to bar just these three notes here. So you're playing your sixth, fifth, and fourth string, and then you do it open, same thing. So it sounds like this. And then the next chord is this. And how you play that is you've got your second finger on the second fret for a fifth string, and your first finger on the third string, first fret. And you're going to avoid playing this top string if you can. Just play the fifth, fourth, and third. But if you hit the other ones, it doesn't really matter. So it sounds like this. And you got to pull onto it. So you do a hammer on, and then just strum those strings. So it's together it sounds like this. Okay, the next part of the song is this part. And I will hold on hope, and I will let you choke. Okay, so we have a little chugga chunk strum going on here like this. Okay, or you can just strum it. And the chords are, as you can see, it's open. And what we're doing here, I'm not going to tell you relative positions anymore. These are actual 7th fret. So, and you're going to put your 3 fingers across the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string like that, and you can play it all open. So it should sound like that, but probably just stick to the top 4 or 5 strings. So it sounds like this. I will hold on home. So you're just, and then back open again. I will let you choke on the noose around. Next part of the sequence is this. On the noose around your neck. And all I'm doing there is same. I'm playing these 3 fingers on the actual 9th fret. Okay, so that's my 12th fret, that's my 9th fret, and you're just barring those 3. You can play the other strings, it doesn't sound bad, but on the noose around your neck, and then you just slide that up to the 11th, so same formation. And I find strength in pain, it's the same chord. And I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold. And you're back here to the 9th. Cold again. And then you're back to the verse. And what I just played there was the same as the, you just pick it singly. So it's 4th fret, 4th string, and you're playing the 4th and 3rd. So in the second verse, the chords are the same, we're just playing our single finger, but instead of plucking them, we're strumming them now. So it kind of sounds like this. So tied me to a post and blocked my ears, could see widows and orphans through my tears. I know my call despite my fall, despite my growing fears. The instrumental part is just the chorus repeated. And I think you can figure the rest out. Hope that helps.